Dear viewers, we are pleased to welcome you to our unique channel, where we unravel the mysteries of esoterics and share magical practices with you. Today, we will delve into the world of spells and rituals to attract luck into every day of your life. In esoterics, luck is perceived as a mysterious influence or force that contributes to favorable developments in a person's life. This concept is often associated with magic, rituals, and energetic influences. Luck is often seen as an energetic force capable of affecting the surrounding world. Esoterics suggest the existence of a subtle energy that can be directed and amplified through specific practices. Esoterics often employs magical rituals and spells to attract luck. These may involve special words, symbols, objects, and even specific days or phases of the moon considered particularly auspicious. Before performing a luck spell, it is essential to create a suitable atmosphere and mood. Here are a few steps to help you prepare for the ritual. 1. Choose a beautiful candle, preferably in a color associated with luck, such as green or golden. Light the candle, focusing on its light, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. 2. Find a calm place where you won't be disturbed. This can be your cozy corner or a specially prepared space for magical practices. 3. Before starting the spell, clear your mind of everyday concerns. Practice a brief meditation or deep breaths to create inner peace. 4. Determine a clear goal or desire that you want to attract into your life. Be specific and positive in your formulation. 5. Before starting the spell, focus on the positive aspects of your life. Open your heart to positive changes. Preparation for the spell involves creating an atmosphere of inner harmony and concentration. Remember that your belief in success and positive thinking plays a crucial role in the power of the ritual. While reciting the spell, concentrate on the words, uttering them with conviction. Visualize your luck. Imagine how it influences various areas of your life. Recite the spell 3 times. May luck be with me every day. From morning to evening, in every way. From evening to morning, every hour. Every minute, every moment, I empower. Wherever I go, luck will be near, fulfilling my wishes, loud and clear. After completing the spell, express gratitude for the support and luck you welcome into your life. Maintain positive thoughts, spend a moment in silence, feeling the energy of luck filling your space. Conclude the ritual with care. Extinguish the candles if you use them and express gratitude for the magic that has taken place. Believe in change and be ready to embrace the opportunities that luck brings. Note that your belief, positive actions, and alignment with a favorable outcome are essential for the successful conduct of a magical ritual. You can repeat this spell daily, in the morning or evening, to maintain a flow of positive energy. It's important to note that esoteric practices and beliefs can vary significantly, and their interpretation depends on each individual's personal beliefs. Participation in these practices is often based on faith and the assumption that energy and thinking can influence the surrounding world. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. Remember that luck is not only the result of our actions but also a response from our inner world. Stay open to positive changes, watch for the signs the universe sends you, and remember the power of positive thoughts. If you found this interesting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share your impressions in the comments. May luck accompany you every day, and may your life be filled with joy and positive events. Until our next meeting, dear viewers, remember, you are the creators of your luck, and there are countless opportunities ahead. Until the next magical moment,